At least 20 dead after magnitude 6.3 earthquake hits Afghanistan. At least 20 people have died after an earthquake struck northern Afghanistan, say local authorities, with the toll expected to rise as rescue efforts continue. Hundreds have also been left injured, local officials told the CNN News 18. The earthquake struck near Mazar-e-Sharif, one of the largest cities in Afghanistan, home to around 5 lakh people in the early hours of Monday at around 1 local time. It had a magnitude of 6.3 and a depth of 28 kilometers, according to the US Geological Survey, and was marked at an orange alert level, which indicates significant casualties and are likely. Sharafat Zaman Amar, spokesperson for the Taliban government health ministry, said that more than 20 people have been killed and more than 320 injured. Deadly quake rocks Afghanistan, leaving iconic blue mosque surrounded by rubble. A powerful earthquake has rattled northern Afghanistan, killing more than 20 people and damaging one of the country's most beautiful mosques, local authorities said. Mazar-e-Sharif iconic blue mosque was damaged in the quake. Footage on social media geolocated by CNN revealed, with its base littered with rubble, early evidence of the destruction captured in the shadows before dawn. A massive search and rescue operation is underway, with a child seen pulled alive from the rubble in the north of the country in video released by the Ministry of Defense on Monday.